Hey friends, if you wish to insert figure captions and table titles in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So wherever you wish to add the captions, let's say here, keep your cursor there and then go to the references tab. Now there's something here which says insert caption, and as for insert table of figures, here's one option. Okay, you can insert table of figures using this one. So we can insert a table using this. I will revert this change and then I'll show you both captions. So we'll have to click on insert caption. Okay, we will mention the caption here. We will mention its label, its position. Okay, we can also create a new label and numbering, and then we can click on OK and see here's a caption. So this is better than a footnote, but this is what a caption is. It will make changes to the entire text which is selected, or the entire table or the image. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.